Hello guys, welcome back. Am I glad you're here? Yes, in the last video you saw that the foundation had been drawn on the ground. And guess what? Today is digging the foundation. So I'm super excited. So I hope you are too. So let's get into the video. Yes, that's right guys, that's the beginning stages of digging foundation. And as you can see, no heavy machines there, nothing fancy. It's just a whole bunch of guys with pickaxe. Okay, that's all. And you're hearing them digging, like literally manpower, like in the hot sun, no working gear. They are barefoot or they're wearing sandals. Okay, I am just so impressed with these guys. And I just can't believe it. They are amazing. If I try it, Dr. Ben's mama moved to her. I didn't see her. And I went yanye. Okay. Into that, I'm moving here soon. Yes, guys, it's coming along beautifully, and as always, I'm on site almost every day. Yes, we've hired a contractor who is very trustworthy and has a foreman and head mason and everything. But it's also very important that I'm there every day to watch what's going on and how things are going. At the end of the day, it's your investment. If you want to leave it to them, you stand your chances of, losing out. But I was there every day, almost every day. Once I drop the kid to school, I go do what I need to do if I need to. And if I don't have anything to do, I sit there till it's time to get the kids from school. Okay, so they know I'm serious and Madame is there watching. Okay, yes, it's absolutely boring. There's nothing to do and to sit in the sun. And then sometimes I sit under the trees, but hey, I gotta do what I gotta do. I have to be there, so I can't just stay in the comfort of my home and expect somebody to make my business work. So as uncomfortable as it was, I just had to do it. Okay, that's what I was there for, so I made sure I was there. Yeah, guys, it's beginning to take shape, and am I so excited? Yes, it took them 2 days to dig the foundation. We hired extra hand, but it got done. We've had a stone dropped on site. We had sand dropped on site. The water tanker is there. We have water. We have cement. We are ready to pour the concrete tomorrow. Can you believe it? Yes, you might not see the excitement or understand the excitement, but I know how hard it has taken us to get to this level. So although you're seeing dirt, I'm seeing wow, progress, finally. Okay, so tomorrow is concrete pouring for the foundation, and yes, I am so happy. But hey, I would love for you to add to the excitement by liking the video, leaving comment, and sharing after watching, okay? Get me super excited, okay? You want me to be more excited? Do these things for me and I'll love you for it. Thank you. That's it. And don't forget to come back and watch us pour concrete tomorrow, okay? I'll see you tomorrow. Smile.